Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change screen color in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down and click on display and brightness. Here you can see screen colors. Click on this. Now here you can see color mode. And another option is color temperature adjustment. In the option of color mode, you'll find here three options: standard, professional and bright. You can set it as you want. And in the option of color temperature adjustment, you can customize your screen color. You can set it as default, as warm color or cold color. I'm setting here warm color. And in the color mode, I'm setting here professional. That's it. So this is how to change screen color in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.